Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I will be walking you through how to force restart or reset your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Here what you can do is first press on the volume up button, then press on the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until and unless your screen turns fully blank. So basically, this is the first step on how you can shut down your iPhone. Now, the second step that I'm going to teach you here is go and launch your settings app, tap on general, scroll down, and at the bottom you will see an option called shutdown. Tap on it and that's it. Now you have successfully restarted your iPhone. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.